This is a diesel heater, and we're going to install it. Well, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how to install it, because they're really simple. Don't get freaked out about it. I know it's quite easy to open the box, and like mine didn't have any instructions, although this one did come with instructions, but my previous one didn't. But same rule applies whether you have a 2 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt. Same rules apply. They're exactly the same. You're going to have two ends, okay? You're going to have this end with like this sort of like cover on it, and then you're going to have the other end with no cover on it, and it's going to look like this. Okay, this one is the heating element where all the lovely hot air comes out. So that's basically, we'll call this the blowing end. So this is the fan end, this is the sucky end. This is going to suck all the air in and then convert that air into hot air, cold air into hot air. So anyway, this one's going to have a cover on it. So this is the sucky end. Got sucky end, blowy end. On the sucky end, same side as the sucky end, we've got this first pipe. So this is the air intake. Okay, so right next to the air intake is the fuel, where the fuel pipe comes in. So sucky end, follow it back, and on the same end is the air intake. On the opposite end, which is where the hot air comes out, same side as the hot air end, you follow it back, and then you get to the exhaust end. This is the exhaust. Okay, pretty simple. So hot end, follow it back, blowy, and this is the exhaust. Okay, easy. So when it comes to the fuel pump, okay, the fuel pump should have an arrow on it. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but it will have a arrow on it. Okay, and the arrow is actually pointing in this direction. It's going this way. So that means that you don't install it like this. You install it at a slight angle between 10 and like 35 degrees. And then this is the filter. So the fuel will be coming in, okay, and it hits the fuel filter first, and it fills up the well first, and then comes out this end into here. So you would install it exactly as you're looking at it like this. It doesn't matter if it's this close, even further back, doesn't really matter. But it's got to filter the fuel first, then it goes into the fuel pump, and the fuel pump's going to be at an angle. So that's that. Easy. Wiring loom. Again, don't get freaked out. It's really easy. Don't worry about it. Okay, so you're going to have each connector. Just understand, all the connectors are different, so you can't mess it up. Let's say you got this one, okay? This one will only fit on this one. So again, you can't mess it up. So you just, plonk that in there, connect it. And this is for the LCD display, okay? What's next? We've got this one, okay? This one will only connect into the diesel heater. So those match. You can't mess it up. That leaves this one, which is a weird looking thing. This will only connect into the fuel pump. Easy. Push it in, connect it like that, push the clip down, and it'll lock in place. And that just leaves one more, which is this weird looking thing, which is not a connector. This is the fuse. So coming off the fuse is a wire. coming off the fuse is this wire. Okay, so this is your live, that where you can extend this wire and go back to the bus bar, your live bus bar, or your live battery. And then this is obviously the negative that comes off the, which one's this? You remember? This one's coming off the diesel, the actual heater. So yeah, that will have a live a negative wire as well. So these two will go, the live and positive, go back to your battery and your negative. Okay, so and that's the whole wiring loom done. Even though it looks like a massive jumble of mess. So yeah, what else to talk about? That's it. You got this. Don't worry about it.